Today I am going to explain you your 10th standard English SR3, a great martyr ever cherished. So this is written by Meha Mathur and J.C. Koshin. So let's come to first para. Enter the Anifuddin household and a warm smile will beckon you to step right in, but that's all the smile can do as it beams from within the confines of a picture frame. A mere memory, painful and brave, the smile belongs to the 25-year-old martyr Lieutenant Anifuddin. As you take a deep breath and try to avert the pain that comes from knowing of a young life cut short, you will notice a large picture of snow-capped mountain peaks of the Tuktuk sector in Kargil, now called Subsector Anif, in memory of Anifuddin's bravery. So this is a story about a great martyr, means a great soldier Anifuddin. So entering Mr. Anifuddin's great martyr Anifuddin's house, a cold warm smile we can see on the photo frame and that photo frame gives a small smile, and that smile is of a great martyr Anifuddin. So when his family thinks about this, it gives a painful and braveness of Anifuddin. So that smile is about 25 years old, great martyr Anifuddin smile. It is means great martyr means a 25 years soldier whose name is Anifuddin. His photo is hanged on the wall of the Anifuddin's house. And as we take a deep breath and go inside his house, it gives a avert pain, means it gives a pain that comes from knowing of a young, means that pain comes because he is just 25 years. In that small age he died for our protecting our country. So by seeing that, we by hearing that, there will be a pain in our heart. So this there will be a pain in our heart by hearing about him, by seeing his sacrifice for our country. So he was working in a Tuktuk sector in Kargil. So he was working in a Tuktuk sector in Kargil, and now it is called as sub-sector in Hanif, in memory of Anifuddin's bravery. So now it is called as sub-sector Hanif in memory of Anifuddin's bravery. This is about first para. Perhaps Anifuddin or Khalifa, as his friends called him, knew what he would be able to give to the nation, which probably explains why Anifuddin, who hailed from the family of musicians, chose to join the army. Perhaps Anifuddin also knew that the life for him was short, and so needed that repeatedly remind himself of his mission. One can only surmise from the flashcard found amongst his belongings, which simply said, "We change lives." So in second para, Anif was called as Khalifa by their friends, called him Khalifa. He knew that what he wanted to give to his nation, means he wanted to join the army, but his family belongs to the musicians. His family belongs to musics. So he wanted to join the army, but Hanif know that his life would be short in army. You all know their life may be short, and so he needed to repeatedly keep in his mind that he wanted to join army only. Only one can keep in his mind. Only one he can keep in his mind, in his flashcard, for by saying that we change the lives, means army only changes the lives, means they protect us and they also protect our country. Because of them we can change our life. So this is about second part. Fate had ensured that Anifuddin would battle with hardships from a tender age. When he was just 8 years old, Anif lost his father, who had been an artist associated with the National School of Drama. left to take care of three young boys. Hanif's mother, Hema Aziz, a vocal artist, would often have to leave Hanif and his brother alone as she was working in as she traveled with the performance wing of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Recalls Hema Aziz, I had a touring job and was out very often, and the kids became very responsible, getting up and getting ready for the school without my having to tell them. I did not have to tell them in so many words, but my going to work without excuse gave them the message that one's duty is most important things in life. So, as Anif said about his dream that he wanted to join the army, Anif has seen very much hardship from his life. When he lost his father when he was 8 years old, in your last SR2, you have seen Dikki Dorma lost her mother at the age of 11, but Hanif lost his father at the age of 8. And his father was working in National School of Drama. So his father died and his mother was taking care of both. So Hanif's mother name was Hema Aziz, who was a vocal artist, means he was singing and would often have to leave. So she should leave both of them alone because she was traveling with performing wing of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. So she was working in Information and Broadcasting Ministry. So his mother Hema is recalling that when he was going to her job, as he was traveling to her job, she left Anif and his brother alone, and and they both became very much responsible because they only wanted to get up early and get ready for the school without his mother calling it up or getting them ready. So his mother did not have to tell them in so many words, but our mother's going for the work without telling them gave a message that for Anif and his brother that once the duty is the most important thing in life. So this is about third para. Let's come to fourth para. While Hanif elder brother Nafisuddin went on to become a teacher and was at the JD Taylor School, New Delhi. At the time of the tragedy, his younger brother took the composing music on his Casio. Hanif would often team up with him on the drums. So, in fourth para, Hanif's elder brother his name was Nafisuddin. He wanted to become a teacher and he was studying in JD Taylor School in New Delhi. At the same time, he was interested in his younger brother was interested in music, and he was composing music on his Casio, his own music, and Danif would also join him using drumsticks. So this is about para. An introvert, Anif began to make friends only by the time he was 14 years of age. He would often go out of his way to help people because that gave him a certain kind of joy. In fact, this was a quality his seniors recounted when they came to meet me after his death, explains his mother. An introvert means a person who is interested in his own thoughts. Means Hanif was in his own thoughts. Hanif was Hanif was making the new friends. Only by his age was at 14 years he was making new friends, and he was often going out to help the people who needed help, and this would give him some kind of enjoyment, and in fact this was the quality that his friends in the military when he joined the military and after his death, when he came to meet his mother, said to his mother that this was the quality they found in him, that making friends and doing help to others. This is the quality that his friends saw and said to his mother after the Hanif's death. So this is about fifth para. Let's come to sixth para. and he was able to reach out to all Hema missions. That a 77-year-old gentleman who paid a condolence visit to Anifuddin recalled how Anif and had approached him with some queries and related to Sufism. So, after that, when he was going out to help somebody, he was able to reach out to all. He was able to help to all. Once Hema, who was 77-year-old, who pay gentleman, 77-year-old Hema mentioned that his mother Hema mentioned that 77-year-old gentleman who paid a condensed visit to Anifuddin's house. So once he came to Anifuddin's house and recalled how Anif said to him and approached him the some queries about Sufism. So this is about sixth para.